Welcome to BMW Group's Hams Hall, a 25-year engine hub that now has a new kind of team member. Meet SpOTTO, a four-legged robot dog that quietly patrols the production halls, scanning machines with visual, thermal, and acoustic sensors. It maps the plant and collects live measurements that feed directly into the site's digital twin, giving engineers an instant view of equipment health. SpOTTO helps spot temperature anomalies, odd vibrations, or worn components long before they become production stops. And it can handle stairs, rough floors, and tight corners with surprising agility. Renamed by the team in tribute to the plant's history, SpOTTO works alongside human technicians, not instead of them, taking on routine checks so people can focus on complex repairs. Short, smart, and steady. This is factory monitoring for the next chapter of manufacturing.